In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Chrome apps not installed. If you're trying to install an app through your browser, and you keep getting the app not installed message, don't worry. Let's walk through the proven fixes in a clear order. First, make sure your device allows installations from your browser. On most Android phones, open Settings, go to Apps, find your browser, usually Chrome, then look for Install Unknown Apps. Turn on Allow from this source. On some devices, this lives under Security or Privacy. Only enable this if you trust the file's source, because it bypasses the Play Store's normal checks. Next, confirm your internet connection is solid. A reliable connection helps the Play Store verify licenses and lets your device fetch any dependencies. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network or ensure mobile data is enabled, and try again. If the error persists, it's time to clear cached data for both Google Chrome and the Google Play Store. This removes corrupted temporary files that often cause installation failures. Go to Settings, open Apps, select Chrome, then Storage or Storage and Cache, and tap Clear Cache and Clear Storage or Clear Data. Repeat the same steps for Google Play Store. Clearing data resets local settings and may sign you out inside those apps, but it won't remove your phone's personal files. After clearing the cache and data, restart your device. A full reboot refreshes system processes and applies those changes cleanly, which can be the difference between another failed attempt and a successful install. On Android, you may also need to temporarily disable Play Protect if it's blocking a legitimate app you trust. Open the Google Play Store, tap the profile icon, choose Play Protect, then open its settings and turn off app scanning for the moment. Try the installation again. As soon as you're done, turn Play Protect back on to keep real-time protection in place. Finally, make sure you have enough storage space. Low storage can silently stop installations. In Settings, open Storage to check your free space. If you're near the limit, remove files you no longer need, like large videos, or uninstall apps you don't use. Aim to keep a comfortable buffer so new apps have room to install and update. Follow these steps in order, and you should be able to get past the App Not Installed error. If the app still won't install, double-check that the file is complete and from a trusted source, then repeat the steps before trying again. Thanks for watching, and good luck getting your app up and running.